Would you like to have a natural look, but at the same time to erase like 10 years of your age? Sculptra would be the best option for you because Sculptra looks so natural. This treatment is amazing for someone who doesn't want anybody to know they get something done. So you will look 5 years younger after the treatment of Sculptra, but nobody would never guess, because with the fillers sometimes you can notice like some changes. Most of my clients, they love their Sculptra results. They give me feedback like after 1 year, 2 years, they say, oh my god, so many friends and family members look at me at Christmas and they say, wow, you look so much fresh, younger, rested, you look so natural, and they cannot even guess what I have done. So Sculptra is the best treatment for you if you would like to get rid of the sagginess, if you would like more volume, more lift, more plump, more glowy skin. And you would need a series of injections. Sometimes it's one treatment a year, sometimes it's series of 2-3 treatments, 1-2 months apart. So the Sculptra lasts up to 3 years. The Sculptra is a polylactic acid. It was developed originally for HIV patients because they lose a lot of volume from their face, and the dermatologists, the plastic surgeons were injecting polylactic acid just to build some structure, some base foundation for their face. And then Galderma company patented as a Sculptra product, and we widely use it for medical aesthetics right now. Sculptra gives a lot of benefits for somebody who lost a lot of weight, who would like to have lift to the skin, but they're not accepting any kind of surgeries. They don't want to get like plastic surgeries or facelifts. Also, Sculptra builds a lot of collagen in the area where we inject it. So any area, let's say older ladies, they like more mature ladies, they lose their volumes from the temple, so it will naturally kind of give the plumpness to these like areas, and at the same time when we feel this area we get some lift. Also, Sculptra is a really good treatment for somebody who has saggy neck, who lost a lot of firmness. We do a lot of Brazilian butt lifts with Sculptra. We do some belly strength, the skin in the belly area, some treatments for the upper elbow area for some sagginess. Sculptra is amazing treatment for hands as well. So it builds so much collagen for skinny and for somebody who has like very thin skin on their hands, and you can see a lot of veins and bones through the tissue. For Sculptra, price range would be from $900 to $1,500 for facial treatment. And with Sculptra treatments, you would need 3 to 5 With Sculptra, you would need 2 to 5 treatments. Average is 3 treatments, 1 or 2 months apart. Okay, for Sculptra treatments, please avoid Advil, aspirin, fish oil, any kind of blood thinners. Also, I would suggest to have no coffee the day of the treatment. It will significantly decrease risk of bruising and swelling. No alcohol 24 hours before. With the Sculptra, very important, you kind of dedicated to the massages. It's very important. You have to massage your face 5 times a day for 5 days, 5 minutes each. So after the Sculptra treatment, there is no downtime, just little puffiness, little swelling to the skin. That's it. Just because we inject about 18 milliliters, 15-18 milliliters of fluid. You can bruise. The risk of bruising is minimum if you will take arnica pills 2 weeks before the treatment. and if you will avoid alcohol, and will aspirin 48 hours before the treatment. Sculptra is amazing treatment, but it lasts long to see results. You would notice the difference in 3 months to 3 months. Contraindications for Sculptra are breastfeeding, pregnancy, inflammation, any inflammation in the body, and some autoimmune diseases, not controlled diabetes, and non-controlled autoimmune diseases.